What's up guys, BCN here. We're at Fan House Salon in Scottsdale, Arizona, shooting a hair tutorial at the Fan House Studio. Let's check it out. I'll be showing you a fun and creative way to create a 2000s inspired look using the star pattern technique. First, carefully section out a star pattern and clip that away. Using Formula 1, apply the sections outside of the star. I like to start in the back and cover all the base. And once you're finished applying the base, go ahead and use the same formula and apply it to the ends, working carefully around the head, moving to the front, making sure everything is saturated. Before moving on to Formula 2, you want to carefully place saran wrap covering Formula 1, being very careful to cover all of Formula 1. And before applying Formula 2, you want to dampen the hair, applying the base of the star, again being very careful not to mix the two colors. So I like to apply the base first and then continue to the ends. And when I'm done applying it, I like to wrap it up in a little bun and process for 25 minutes. After processing, rinse using Schwarzkopf Professional Fiber Clinic's Vibrancy shampoo and conditioner, and style as desired.